Hey, what's up, Steve Heads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, going to smash that thumbs up to show 'em what? You got them. Yes, sir. In this video, we got that what? That
Weekly hit.
weekly heat, baby.
Yes,
That
sir.
weekly heat. So these are the hottest shoes that are coming out from the 30th of March to April 5th. I'm going to go ahead and start off. On April 5th, we do have an Air Jordan 1 High Rare Air. This is for females only. This will be coming in women's sizing, little kids, and toddlers and infants. Women's shoes will be starting off at 180. Little kids, aka baby, starting off at 85, and toddlers and infants at $70. Now, this is a part of a collection called the Rare Air series, and this will be the first iteration coming out this year. 2025. We see the Air Jordan 1 Rare Air. It does feature that cell colorway throughout. It does have that aged out midsole, as we can see. We see that, I'm going to say Cinnabar, because this is the name of the shoe. That Cinnabar red on the bottom of the shoe. I really like that Cinnabar hit next to that cell midsole. It does make the shoe pop. As we're looking at the side swoosh, we do see that rugged suede. I can't tell if this is really good rugged suede or not. We also have rugged suede feature on the upper portion of the shoe behind the Wings logo. We do see the Wings logo and popping out in that brilliant Cinnabar red. I do like that touch. It does make the shoe pop a lot. Moving around to the tongue, we do see that Rare Air branding. So Jordan Brand is giving you two laces. As we can see, the Cinnabar, which I think is a nice touch because it matches the colorway perfectly. And then they will give you a pair of cell laces, which matches the majority of the shoe. So whichever way you want to rock these. As we can see in this photo right here, looks like they put in both shoelaces, give it something special. I don't know if you want to rock them with both laces in there, but let us know down in the comments. We'll be rocking yours like that, or you'll be picking one of the laces. So moving around, this is the only thing that I do not like about this shoe. As we see that tag on the toe does feature that Rare Air branding. And I think that they're using these blue tags for the Rare Air, but it really doesn't match this shoe at all. So I'm kind of disappointed in that. But it still doesn't take away totally with the shoe. Maybe if you're wearing some jeans, it can cover that portion up. As we look on the inside of the insole, we do see that Rare Air branding, which is very unique to this pair. But let us know down in the comments, are you rocking these or dropping these? As for me, I am rocking these because it's a very Rare Air pair that we haven't seen before. And I think this is a perfect silhouette for the springtime. So I do like the colorway a lot. What you think about these, my brother? You the one man?
Yeah, I'm a one fan. Jordan Brand, I know you guys are listening to us because we're always on the laces, right? But now you going with two laces in the shoe, two, right? Jordan Brand, listen to me. We do not want fat laces in J. I'm going to say it again. We do not want fat laces in the J's. Why don't we just take two colors and incorporate those two colors into one lace, right? Hey, come on, Jordan Brand. I know you guys listening because y'all adding, two laces, but just go ahead and incorporate two colors into one lace, and then that's a home run. I am a one fan. I will be rocking those. I like what they're doing with this Rare Air series. I really like that. So I will be rocking those. Drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those.
Yes, sir. What we got next, my brother?
So on the same day, on April the 5th, we do have that Rare Air series, Air Jordan 1, that deep royal blue pair. This is a family size, catering to all the family. Price point for those of men are going for $180, grade school going for $140, $85 for preschool, aka babies, and toddlers going for $70, right? I'm really liking this shoe. I'm really liking what they're doing with it. I like how they incorporated that royal blue color with that gray and black and white. I like how Jordan Brand really incorporated that. I wish they would have did something different with the laces. They are giving you an extra pair of laces with this shoe. I just wish they would have just incorporated, one lace with two colors into that one lace. I like how they kept the shoe full leather. I really like that. Just maintaining that, the toe box. I like how they just kept this shoe very simple, but I like how they incorporated those colors in there. I will be rocking these. Hey, drop us a comment down below below if you're rocking those or dropping. What about you, my brother?
I'll be rocking these as well. I think because this is the Rare Air series, I really like Jordan Brand trying to think out the box. There's only like two things I can say about this shoe that I don't like. Me personally, I don't like the collar where the Nike Air sits at. And that's one of the biggest difference too. Instead of having the regular Wings logo, they will have Nike Air on one side of the shoe. And then another thing, like my brother said, I really don't like those royal blue laces in there. It doesn't make the shoe pop enough. But as we see the behind the laces on their tongue, it is black. So the only colors pair of the laces that will probably make the shoe pop will be white. Maybe that'll make a big difference. One thing that I want to share with you as well, Nike is doing a special box for these. The box almost looks like a reimagined box. At the top with that Nike symbol at the front, and at the bottom it does have royal blue, which I do think is a nice touch. I think it would be better if they would have made the whole box royal blue to match the shoe, but hey, we're not wearing the boxes, so I can't be really mad at that. But those are just my thoughts and opinions. Let me know what you think about these sneakerheads. Are you rocking these or dropping these?
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others.
peace.